Alright guys, so do a quick short little dirty video here. This is a 2008-2009 Legacy like 3.0R, 2.5 XT, 2.5 GT, like premium basically, with audio control steering wheel. So these are the audio buttons. The cruise control buttons are there, and this video is meant for somebody retrofitting this into an older Subaru with basically one of the 3-wire cruise control stocks. My car is an 06, but this would apply to 05 to 07. So here's the connector. You're going to need to repin this. Now I've already depinned the factory 0809 connector, so you won't need this anymore. And this green wire is the factory horn button from the 0506, and you'll have to populate this plug in the direction, in the order I did it. So this factory wire is the green wire. The next wire would be red, black, white, and then blue. So that would be your audio controls taken care of, and then you got to do your cruise control buttons. So I don't know if you can depin this connector. I'm probably just going to solder these on because I have a pigtail for it. So what you're going to do here is, since this is the 08 side, this is yellow. So the yellow side will go to this red. So red will go there. Then the next one is tan on the 08 side, so you're going to give it dark green. And then the last one is this dark green on the 08 side. You'll give it the white from the 06 side. And really that's it. So just make sure you're getting this white and red wire. That's the wire that goes to cruise control. So yeah, hopefully that's helpful. This should probably apply for as well, like the early Foresters and stuff like that. Like probably when they went to that 3-spoke wheel, or 3-spoke wheel is similar in design, this cruise control button would be used, or very similar. So you could probably play around, figure it out. This method here is, since most Legacies are kind of pre-wired, at least the clock spring, I should say, for steering wheel audio controls. This is going to apply for Legacy and Outbacks through 2005 and 2007. But anything else, your mileage may vary, but if you have an 05 to 07 Legacy and you want to have steering wheel audio controls, this is one half of the battle. I might make another video in the future explaining from the clock spring outwards how to do that. I'm still waiting on a few things to come in the mail, so we will touch that when we can, but this will get you functioning cruise control and set you up for the future of audio controls, which is very cool. So thanks for watching.